Welcome back to Health Tech Explorers. Today, we're diving into one of the most debated questions in healthcare: AI versus radiology. What does the future hold? Some believe AI will replace radiologists. Others say it will only make them stronger. And honestly, even I haven't decided where I stand yet. Things are changing so fast that making predictions feels almost impossible. But one thing is certain: the profession will look very different in the years ahead. AI is already here. AI isn't science fiction anymore. It's already part of daily radiology workflows across the US, Europe, and Israel. Algorithms detect nodules and tumors, identify bleeding and fractures, assist in mammography and CT scans, and help reduce the number of missed findings while easing the workload for doctors. In Europe, a fully autonomous AI product called ChestLink was recently approved. It analyzes normal chest X-rays on its own and only sends suspicious cases to a human radiologist. Think of it as AI sorting routine tasks, while radiologists handle the complex ones. Why radiologists still matter? Radiology isn't just about reading images, it's about context. A radiologist reviews patient history, complaints, and previous studies, not just a single scan, performs procedures like biopsies and interventional treatments that AI simply cannot do, communicates with other doctors and patients, explains results, and helps build treatment plans, ensures quality, protocol compliance, and cost-effectiveness, handles rare, ambiguous, and ethically complex cases requiring human judgment. AI's limitations and risks. False positives. AI sometimes flags benign findings as dangerous, causing confusion and unnecessary stress. Poor generalization. Models struggle with unusual or rare cases and require constant retraining. Legal uncertainty. If AI makes a mistake, who's responsible? The company, the hospital, or the doctor? Laws aren't clear yet, slowing adoption. Why AI can be a game changer. Helps manage the growing workload and shortage of specialists. Speeds up detection of critical findings, improving patient flow in hospitals. Automates repetitive tasks like reporting and data sorting, reducing burnout. Works best as a partner, with radiologists making final decisions, the only model that actually works today. The big questions. Reliability. When will AI be trusted to make major clinical decisions? Research is ongoing. Impact on careers. AI won't kill radiology, but it will transform it. Routine tasks may disappear, while complex problem-solving becomes more valuable. Training the next generation. Young radiologists now learn to work with AI, developing critical thinking and digital skills. Patient trust. People still want a real doctor, for empathy, communication, and accountability. And some final thoughts. Radiology is one of the first medical fields to feel the full force of AI. But replacement? That's not happening anytime soon, maybe not for decades. For now, AI is a powerful tool, not the boss. It's up to us to learn, adapt, and shape a future where technology works with doctors, not against them. What about you? Do you think AI will take over the profession or become radiology's best assistant? Let me know in the comments. Expert opinions change daily, and we'll keep bringing you the latest updates. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.